Hi guys, so I am back today with another video, and today I'm going to do an unboxing video. So my hubby was in LA and for a couple days, and while he was there, he went to Hermès on Rodeo and picked up a couple goodies for both of us. So without further ado, let's get started. So he got one item for himself and 3 items for me. So I guess I'm gonna go ahead and start with the item that he got for himself. So that is this right here, which comes in this gorgeous orange box with the brown ribbon. I just love how Hermès just wraps things in their boxes, just super classic, super elegant, super simple. So I'm gonna open that. And then inside is this little velvet case. And then if I open that up, this beautiful bracelet is inside. So I totally love this bracelet. He actually FaceTimed me from the store when he was trying to decide whether or not he should get it. And I just think that it's super elegant, super just a wonderful piece to add to his collection. So this is actually his second Hermès bracelet. And what I love about these bracelets is that they are pretty simple, but they totally elevate any outfit that you would wear it with. So it's got the little H on the front and kind of a brownish, orangish color to it with the stainless steel. So just super elegant, super gorgeous. I think really is just a fantastic addition to his collection. And for anyone out there who is, you know, thinking about a great gift for that special guy in their life, this definitely is it. Totally, I think any guy would love this. So that's the first item. And let's see, so the next item will go with the biggest box. Came in this box right here. So again, love the wrapping, love the boxes. So let's see, take that off and open this up. I think it adds to the excitement when you get something from the Hermès store and you're like, what is it? I can't wait to see it. You just kind of have to open it little by little. So then it comes in this little dust bag, and it is a belt. So it's actually a chocolate belt on one side, and then it's burgundy on the other side. So this is actually my second belt strap. So I have the black and camel belt with the silver H buckle. And so I'd been really wanting a brown belt for a long time, just to kind of add to the versatility so I could wear it with brown pants. And so I don't have the buckle right here with me, but essentially, you know, you can flip it on whichever side you want to wear it on. If you want to wear it on the brown side, you just stick the little buckle in there and then just buckle the belt. So again, I think that this belt definitely elevates any outfit that you wear it with. Just the simple H is just so simple and so elegant. So I'm super excited to be able to add this to my collection, because it really just will make wearing that belt, like, it just make it so much more versatile, make the belt so much more versatile, because I'll be able to wear it with so many more things. So the next item I'm going to take out actually comes in a very small box. So it comes in this little cylinder box. So this one, I'm just going to slide that to the side and take off the top. And inside is this super gorgeous green and white twilly. So I have been wanting to add a Twilly to my collection for a very long time. And this one, green, is one of my favorite colors, so I'm super excited to get this green and white one. I definitely think that I'm going to get a lot of use out of it. I do not have a Birkin or a Kelly yet. So at this point, I won't be wrapping it around the handle of either of those bags, but you can definitely wear it around your neck, like around, you know, around a blouse, just for a little pizzazz. You can wear it in your hair, kind of to tie a bow. The way that I'm planning to wear it most often is around my wrist. So it'll be a little bit tricky. I'm not sure if I'm actually going to be able to tie it for you. Probably need someone else to actually do the final tie, but essentially you wrap it around your wrist and then you just make like a little tie. Let's see if I can do this. I just want to show you. Okay. I did it one-handed before, but now that I'm actually recording, of course I can't do it. Let's see. Oh wait, I think I got it. So obviously you would want the tie a lot tighter, but essentially this is what it would look like. And I totally see myself wearing this with like a white tee and a pair of denim, and just adding this one little item, like this one accessory, I think will really elevate that just kind of a very plain and casual outfit. And just like I said, just adding this would totally make it like perfect for brunch, or you know, just really elevates the outfit. I mean, that's the thing that I love about designer accessories, is that, you know, just with one little accessory you can go from like really plain and really casual to just a great elevated and classic look. So I am super excited about this addition to my collection. So the last item that's in this bag is this Twilly perfume. I'm just so excited about this. So this is the Twilly, this is the limited edition perfume, and it's the 2.87 ounce. So let's put on the top. So I've been waiting to be able to wear it. I was waiting to film this unboxing so I could wear it. So here it is in the bottle. And they wrap this cute little Twilly around it. And because this one is the limited edition, it comes with a little Hermès horseshoe, which is super cute and super classic. And oh my gosh, this scent is amazing. Like, it is literally to die for. I'm in love with this scent. So I'm so excited now that I filmed this video and I can wear this perfume tomorrow. Because it is, like I said, I just am so in love with this scent. It is such a great scent, really, for anyone on your list. So I know Mother's Day is coming up, so perfect gift for mother, for, you know, for birthdays, for anniversaries. It's just really just a great scent and just a really classic and wonderful, wonderful item. So thanks so much for watching this unboxing. I am super excited about all of these items and cannot wait to start wearing them or using them. So if you enjoyed this video, please, and want to subscribe, please click the red subscribe button below, and then also click on the little bell so that you will be notified when I post other videos. So thanks so much for watching. See you next time.